And this is Bob with B&P Plumbing. You're going to change a shower cartridge. Most time you'll know what kind of cartridge it is by the printing on the bottom of the plate. It's a Moen positemp cartridge. There you go, close. Okay, we're going to do first is take this Allen screw out of the bottom. I've already done it. It's right there. Don't know what size this is. I've done it so many times I forgot what size. Take that handle off. Take this out. This is your temperature control. Right now it's set on max. So if you want to get it lower, pull this out, rotate it around like this and put it back in. Pull the trim plate off. Pull this retainer out. But before you do that, make sure you shut the water off to the house. And drain the pressure. Here's a puller. You can get this at Lowe's or Home Depot. These two tabs go on each side. This screws into the handle. That spins down to the body of the valve itself. Get your pair of pliers. Start turning this. What that's going to do is it's going to slowly pull the cartridge out of the body. And you give it a twist, pull it out. This is a new one. 1 time out of 10 times it'll be that easy. The rest of the time it's a pain in the ass to get these out. These come with oil that you can put on the sides of here. This is the type of cartridge it is, 122B positemp. There's a knot on the top of this. You'll see a hot and cold tab. That goes on this top end of the valve. Put this on it. Put it back in there. The retainer clip back on it. Make sure that clip goes back in because the cartridge can blow across the wall and put a hole through your shower. The sleeve back in.